to Politricks Watch. This is Herbie. Now, today I'm going to be talking about an incident that sums up Jamaica. I can tell you why it sums up Jamaica. Double murder go on at an anti-violence training center. Let me say that again. Double murder. Right? They might keep training, anti-violence, how to deal with violence, how to deal with conflicts, and 2 man dead. I think that perfectly sums up Jamaica. You couldn't have a more Jamaican story than that. Think about it. Man put on them clothes in the morning. Where I go? Oh, some training I go on. UNICEF I put on training. But what kind of training? Well, peace management and all that good stuff. Oh, alright. Later I'll cook some rice and peas and some chicken back. Make sure you come home by a certain time, come on the food get cold. Alright. Certain hours come. The phone not answer, man dead. At an anti-violence seminar. That's Jamaica for you. Doesn't get no more Jamaican than that. I'm going to talk about it. I'm going to tell you why many of these anti-violence training and peace management and I'm going to tell you what the problem with enough of them things there. Even though I understand them have good intentions. Before me go any further, I have an Patreon birthday shout out. Because back to back like I said yesterday. Now, it is mind blowing to me. So even though I talk about the Patreon squad every day, there are people who don't know what the Patreon squad is. And the only reason why I talk about it again is because I'm tired of the messages. But so I know most of the things that I say, right? I mean, at this point, who knows how many people actually understand the message? Because people don't even get what Patreon squad is. But enough of the things that I say fly over people's head. The Patreon squad is a separate, Patreon is a separate platform from YouTube. Right. It has exclusive videos separate from YouTube where we can show more hardcore content. Over this, so we don't have to worry about certain warnings and strikes and all kind of nothing like that. So we just post away our post, right? And we and the Patreon squad can enjoy the content in fullness. Right? So today, at DNJ birthday, right, bro, big up yourself, right? As usual, thanks for the support. Right? I know, right, you're probably gonna have a couple of drinks and your food and your cake and all that. Enjoy yourself. People, we really want to understand something. Don't take birthdays for granted. Don't think say, oh well, I saw it go another year. Right now, nothing guaranteed. Right now, if on the 87s a big C, and then you go here say, right, then you have one newer big C. Then enjoy yourself, bro. Live it to the fullest. But remember, moderation is the key. Alright? So bless up. I'm going to talk about the anti-violence seminar. Imagine getting killed at an anti-violence seminar. What does Jamaica feel? Let me explain something to you. May I give you an analogy? This analogy, everybody's supposed to get it. More than even the man who never do one day in a school supposed to get this analogy. Here is the problem with your anti-violence and your peace seminar and all them things. I want you to think about 100 people in one community. 80 of the people them beard, right? Them fresh, them have good hygiene. 20 of the people them in no bearding. 20 of the people them rank like a rammy. When people talk about rammy, ram goat, rank. Them not depend on the bearding thing. Them not depend on a shower thing. Them not believe in a soap. Them not believe in a rag. Them not believe in a toothbrush or a toothpaste. Then 20 people I make the community smell bad, right? So them decide, say, you know what? We're going to keep an anti-ranking conference. We're going to keep an anti-frenzy conference. We're going to keep an anti-stink meeting. We're going to keep a good hygiene meeting. So, then rent out one big town space and say, you know what? This meeting is to sort out the fact that the community, right? Too much, bad smell in the community. Good hygiene conference. Guess who turn up? The 80 people then. The 80 people them say, you know what happened? You preach to the choir. I gotta tell you when I get that. No worry yourself. So the 80 people who already obeyed and already, right, see the reason and logic and the need for good hygiene, them turn up. So you turn up and you tell them now about bathing, but guess what? Them bathe already. And they're open to the idea of bathing. The people them a rank like ram goat, them now come. And if even 2 of them come, them a come down and them a say, yo, the first thing I say to them, then get upset. Right. So I feel like you pick on them. Then go to left or then go to fight somebody. So you keep anti-frenzy, anti-stink, anti-ranking conference, and the people who be there go. I saw them anti-violence thing they go. When you put out anti-violence meeting and anti-violence seminar, you know who turn up on them thing there? Reasonable people. You know who turn up on them thing there? People who want to solve disputes through negotiation. People who want to improve those skills. You know who now come here anti-violence seminar? J-Bud. You know who now come? Sci-Fi. You know who now come? Bigger Crime. And if he come there, I think probably want to look for see who there. For my part, because I probably want to say, no, say, boy look like an informer. Because he come me, both in Ghana anti, the boy and fuck. And that probably the only reason why him come. Or him come to kill somebody. The people them who don't want to reach, now go anti-violence seminar. You think someone can negotiate with people who have 20, 30 people on them name? With people who their language is violence. So you look upon it from your point of view of reason and rational, and you tell yourself, say, well, you don't really want, like Sci-Fi not really like killing people. Like Bigger Crime not really, him not want to make an next dopey. Let me just show him some reason and some logic. Criminals, 87s, 90s, 116, whatever you want to say. Even if them cool out for a bit. You see all them little talking thing, eh? Their design will make him man cool out. Because you go see Sci-Fi and make him cool. Until somebody diss him. Until him get a call say, yo, you know, say, me here say one youth on the road, just get on 3 mil, we can go lick it, you know. You man can go broken foot right now and take it. Gangs have to be dismantled. 87s have been neutralized in one way, shape or form. It's fantasy when you have it on the mind. When you can have it on the cake and eat it too. It not gonna work. When you want to talk to Stone Crusher and talk to Don Stubbs and talk to clans and walk in the community and when them smile. You see these people, and I understand them have good intentions. But you see the people them walk around and them come and talk to bad man. All them do a laugh for them. No, mommy, if you're a woman, no, mommy, you know. And enough 87s are very charming. Especially when they realize that woman, when a woman do the peace talking and community poll, them kill her with charm. Woman now start believe, say, see it, Sci-Fi is really, I can't imagine Sci-Fi killing people. He's so charming to me. Especially Gwyneth. If Gwyneth go on, Jones Avenue and she buck 2 clansmen and them full of sweet talk and they're so charming. He's like, you see, they're such nice young men. I can't, see, all these stories about chop off head, I can't even imagine that. When then she said they wanted to, she said, it can't be the same person I know. The man them who actually did the things them, now come on the conference. And that them man they, right, need to get neutralized in one way, shape or form. Anti-violence, make people from bad man place tell them how much peace meeting go on in a garrison. Peace meeting, peace dance, peace ball game. A man are dead in the peace dance. Man are dead at the peace ball game. Them are things people just throw around. Peace meeting, and then next week the man then got war again. I want to have fun. People tell us that man plan peace meeting for the enemy come to shot them. I will never know say top 87 no go peace meeting. You know why? Because he knows say him enemy are go there for shot him. Jamaica is a place where J-Bad them and Sci-Fi them no want go peace meeting because them know say them enemies are come at the peace meeting But not for no peace, but for buck them and shot them and kill them. How much man did a peace meeting? No. I tell you no how crime will get fixed already. It will not be no friendly talking community. There's going to be some shaking up of what go on. As I said, we want the house, we want the mansion, we want the plaza, but we don't want dig no dirt, we don't want make no noise, and we don't want bust no pipe. Fantasyland. Disneyland. I'm not going to peace meeting, especially in a bad man place. At the quickest place for dead. I understand the intention, I understand the motive. I understand the initiative. But the people them who actually do the things them and a spike crime rate, the man with the 20, 30, 40 ducky, them now come on a peace meeting. And if they come there, they might come there and shot somebody. They might come because they know there's an incentive, but they might take the incentive and then go back to them old ways. That's the reality of Jamaica. There are exceptions. You know, so you can find one 187 right, from Mobile or 187 from Spanish Town who they go on one peace meeting and change store. You can find out for one. But for the most part, people from Badman place can tell. Peace meeting are one of the biggest joke things. Peace, anti-violence seminars and anyway. Ultra Squad, big up on yourself. Yeah, you don't know. Go live. Ultra Squad, stay circling. Bless.